In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix images not loading in Google Chrome. If you're browsing and photos just won't appear, there's a good chance Chrome's image permissions are turned off or restricted. We'll walk through the built-in setting that controls whether sites are allowed to show images, and we'll get things back to normal in just a minute. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Any recent version will work for this. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu, and it's where you'll find all of the browser's tools and preferences. Click those three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This opens a new tab dedicated to your browser's preferences. Everything we need is here. On the left side, you'll see several sections that group related controls. Find and select Privacy and Security. This area manages what websites can do and what content they can display, which includes images. Inside Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Think of Site Settings as the permissions center for the web. It's where Chrome decides what each site is allowed to access, from location and notifications to media, and, importantly for us, images. Scroll until you find the Images option and click it. You're now on the page that controls whether images are shown as you browse. If images haven't been loading, you'll often find that images are blocked here, either globally or for specific sites. To resolve that, choose Sites Can Show Images. This allows websites to display pictures by default. The change applies immediately, and it doesn't require a restart. If you see any sites listed under a blocked section, that usually means images were disabled for that specific website in the past. With images allowed globally, most pages should display correctly again. After enabling this, go back to a page that wasn't showing pictures and let it load. Images should now appear as the site intended. If some content is still missing, it could be due to the website itself, a very strict content filter, or an extension that overrides Chrome's default behavior. But for the vast majority of cases, turning on Sites Can Show Images resolves the problem quickly. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Images, and select Sites Can Show Images. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your browsing experience back on track.